3,
Because
2,
tank is having problem with that.
Plus, Fixing Strikes is pretty much useless because it's going to ads.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Go DPS. Go, let's go, let's go. First one on discharge is Amulet.
Amulet, you can drop it.
Stay more to the left, don't die from the breath. Yeah.
Give me pain.
Give the pain suppression to the tank.
Bam!
Tank, you can drop spirit. I mean, Aumi. It's fine, doesn't matter.
Get the right up, get the right up. Okay, get your platforms.
Don't kill him, hello?
Okay. You just trolled the hunt a little bit, but he could have gotten away with it as well, but yeah. We're going pretty much like alright.
40%.
Yeah, we're on
Yeah, the ads
30.
are 36 and 27. That's fine.
Yeah, it's goodish.
Just keep going.
Don't be afraid to use your cooldowns healers if you need to.
Let you know if they get MC'd.
Go on the white,
Healing
careful with... You're gonna get another bombs, we have more bombs, don't bomb anyone.
Put healing rains down.
Everyone on white, healing rains, interrupt the ad, kill the ad. Ignore the dead hunter, ignore him.
If you get MCs like all shamans, like release him to interrupt. Don't stay in.
Yeah, I'll call out they get MC'd.
Destox, you'll be calling out the thingy.
Yeah.
And careful, like in front of the boss, don't release like at the breath. Timing up the breath.
Bam!
I'm MC'd.
The odds are split as fuck. You need to pick up the rest of them. Bam!
I'm gonna use the first one. Kill the off tank.
Bam!
He's behind the pillar. Okay.
Kill Saucy.
Yeah, hold the tank secondary.
Bam! Bam!
Ascendance, you're gonna use yours, yeah?
Okay.
Use it now. You could use Kupo do Hymn of Hope and somebody drop mana type. I mean, not Hope, the mana him. Fuck, whatever the fuck his name is. You got me.
Bam!
I did mana.
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't get MC even once.
Same. Washcock, you're on this one. Rallying cry now.
Bam!
Hold the tanks. Yeah. Nice.
Guys, rotate. Everyone rotate. Be to the side of the boss. Like, keep moving with the
Bam!
boss. And traps. I want new traps. Amulet, you're gonna drop Spirit Link now. Drop it.
Bam!
Hold the tanks for the electrocution.
Almi, you're the next one.
Just call out when you want me to drop it, because shit is still lagging for me. I can barely see shit. Keep rotating, guys. You know the drill.
Keep moving, keep redoing traps. Almi now.
Bam!
Hold the tank. Hold the tank. Hold the tank. Nice.
We need new Hunter's trap.
Bam!
Fang, you're gonna use it on this next one, I'll tell you when.
Bam!
Hold the tanks. Yeah.
Keep rotating.
Rotate.
Boss is at 41%. Looking good so far.
Fang, use your totem. Spirit Link.
Hold it.
Thank
Hold
you.
the tank.
Bam!
Aggro. What the fuck?
You taunted someone, don't.
Hello, watch your buttons, hello?
Yeah.
Don't troll us.
Bam! Bam!
Ascendance, you're on the next one.
Okay.
You're the only seed.
Hold the tanks.
Keep moving. Keep rotating, guys. Keep rotating. Keep rotating.
Bam!
You'll saucy. Yep. Good. Almost there. Almost there.
Ascendance now.
Bam!
Hold the tanks. Very important. Yep. One more.
Washcox, you're on the next one. All
I'm behind
them-
my lord.
Hold the
Pain
tank.
suppression on Psych. Put a pain suppression on
It's
Psych.
on cooldown.
Pain suppression on
It's on
okay.
cooldown.
Very important. Hold the tank.
Healthstones, healthstones.
Sack the tank on the 10%.
Everything.
Tanks are the priority right now.
Washcox, break it and use. Break the MC and use rally. Good. Amulet, use Spirit Link the second it comes up. There's no point in holding it.
Okay, just hold the tank. Like nobody else matters.
Yeah, this is a
Can,
kill.
can
This
someone
is
tell me how the fuck we're wiping like 6 types on Magmor
It's already
and
dead.
one shot the basically the shittiest
boss is
shitters?
dead.
Like I don't count the shit that we had on the first phase.
Well, we had a Hunter with Death Knight with the tank spec. Shkandi
Ashkandi!
Nice.
and the
Finally.
100.
Sorry for the innocent.
Now, with nigga taunted the boss.
Yeah, actually, let me check that.
Which nigga is that one? I'm sorry, Wu Jin, but I wanted to hold revives on a purpose.
Dude, I just got MC'd once.
I
Just
got a
one
lot
time.
of MCs, but I wasted them because I was watching for raid
Yeah.
cooldowns.
I only got him twice. Sucks.
Going behind the pillar is really not that. AFK.
It's fine as long as people are following.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, we can kill this boss, like we can basically one-shot it, yeah? Everybody's doing fine. Then we die on fucking Conclave. How?
Not a
Forget,
Magmor.
we died on the worm, bro.
Guts Helgra.
Yes, we'll keep going with Traubra.
We can go to Throne of Four Winds, no?
Now we
Oh
have.
my god, no!
We'll need to fill pugs if we do that.
Ah, okay. People are
Belt
leaving.
of the Nightmare. That's Cherry Boy.
Let's first do the loot and then we decide.
Yeah. Then we have a plate belt Paladins. Does still anyone need it? Off spec. Something. Okay. Sell it now if you want the axe. Sure. Then we have shoulders. What the f? Okay. Something is 100% not working properly today here with my fucking computer. The one for the shoulders. Off
That's
spec,
it.
side spec.
Oh, it's only good for like prot or prot warrior or prot paladin.
No, they still want master.
Vanquisher, Rogue, Death Knight, Mage, Druid.
So they're basically shit for everyone.
I wouldn't say so.
Those soldiers, yes.
My blind, who is Hike?
And the second one.
You mean Psych?
Yeah, first one goes